Shenzhen POE Precision Technology Company Limited provides one-stop contract manufacturing, turnkey PCB assembly, including PCB manufacturing, PCB assembly, component sourcing, program, testing, and final package for worldwide customers. We dedicated in manufacturing 1 to 40 layer quick-turn prototype PCBs 24 hours fastest, and turnkey PCB assembly 7 to 10 days, and mass production PCBs and PCBAs with the principle of the best quality, the lowest price, and the promptest delivery. Our manufacturing facilities include clean workshops and advanced SMT lines, which imported from Japan, Germany, and Taiwan. Our placement precision can reach chip plus 0.1 millimeters on integrated circuit parts, which means we can almost deal with kinds of integrated circuits such as SO, SOP, SOJ, TSOP, TSSOP, QFP, and BGA. Additionally, we can provide 0201 chip placement through whole components assembly and finished products fabrication. Mainly PCBA exported to Europe, United States, Middle East, Australia, and South American. POE always focus on satisfied quality and fast service for all customers. We offer inspection methods like online AOI testing, checks for solder paste, checks for components down to 0201, checks for missing components, offset, incorrect parts, polarity, and in-circuit testing. We manufacture different kinds of products ranging from sensor, medical, telecommunications, automation, Bluetooth, RF, home appliance, and LED products. Our team workers warmly welcome worldwide customers to visit our factory and coach our work.